Let me tell you a story today. Once there lived two woodcutters. They used to go to work at the same time. They used to spend same amount of time, and also they used to cut the same type of woods, the same type of trees. So basically there was no difference in their work environment, in their type of work. Basically all was same. The only difference was that while one of them used to work continuously from morning to noon without taking any breaks, the other used to take regular breaks, regular intervals every 2 to 3 hours. On the surface, it would seem that the one who was not taking any break was actually doing more work because they were spending the same amount of time, and the another one was actually taking breaks and quote unquote wasting times on the breaks. But the result was actually the opposite. The woodcutter who was actually taking breaks could cut more trees than the one working continuously. If we pay attention to what the story teaches us, we will notice that if we overstretch ourselves, if we overburden ourselves with targets, works, studies, to-do lists, and we do not take any break, or we do not give our body the desired rest, we would eventually burn out. Often it happens that we just keep running after our targets. We do not even pay attention to the cries of our body, and there comes a time when we can't even move our body anymore. We can't even leave our bed. We become too exhausted to move. That is not something desirable, because as your works are important, your health and your body are similar, if not more important. So remember, from today onwards, whenever you notice that your body is asking for rest, or you are not being able to push further, do not feel bad or do not become judgmental. Just listen to your body and give it the thing that it desires, and I assure you, I promise you, that when you will return after the break, you will be 10 times stronger. So this was for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.